Hey everyone, it's Monday morning, May 26th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela. Since it's Monday, that means it's time to dive into the big market movers for the week ahead. It's going to be a busy one, so let's get straight to it. Before we begin, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So first off, all eyes are going to be on Las Vegas, where one of the year's most talked about Bitcoin conferences kicks off on May 27th. And, well, it's not just the usual tech crowd showing up. Vice President J.D. Vance, both Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, and a long list of big-name tech execs are all scheduled to speak. Now, whether you're deep into crypto or just watching from the sidelines, this event could stir up some market sentiment, especially in tech and digital assets. Now, speaking of sentiment, we'll also be getting a fresh read on consumer confidence this week. That's important because it ties directly into spending and therefore into growth. Alongside that, we're going to see updates on house sales and pricing and the trade balance. But what's really going to matter is Thursday's GDP report. We'll find out how the U.S. economy performed, and it'll be a key data point the market will use to recalibrate expectations for the second half of the year. And just so you know, it's not only the US dropping GDP figures, France and Italy will be reporting their numbers too, while Germany, Spain, and Tokyo will release updated inflation data. So, yeah, we've got a full international picture coming into focus this week. Over at the Fed, the central bank will release minutes from the latest FOMC meeting. And let's be honest, investors are going to comb through every sentence, every pause, looking for clues on interest rates. Are we still on pause? Could we see cuts later this year? These minutes could help shape expectations. On the corporate side, it's another heavy week for earnings. We've got Macy's, Best Buy, and Costco all reporting, which will help us understand where the consumer is at right now. And then tech takes the stage. Nvidia, Salesforce, HP, Xiaomi, and Dell all report this week. Especially with Nvidia, investors will be laser-focused on any updates tied to AI and data center demand. And now, just to add a little rocket fuel to the week, SpaceX is set to launch flight test number 9 of Starship on May 27th. It's another big step for Elon Musk's space ambitions, and yeah, it's a reminder that space is not just science fiction anymore, it's becoming a real business frontier. So, to wrap things up, this week has a bit of everything: crypto drama, inflation signals, big-time earnings, central bank insight, and even space travel. Buckle up because it could be a wild ride. Thanks for tuning in to today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela. See you back here tomorrow.